Well, is a summer vacation on the horizon, but you're not sure how to budget for that trip?
Here to make your vacation a reality. I was caught on vacation word so much. I'm like, wow, daydreaming. All right, well, to make it a reality is from University of Illinois Community Credit Union, Susan Tolson, Certified Financial Coach. Okay, you obviously have my attention on anything vacation-wise, but a lot of people feel like, hey, maybe it's not in the budget this year, but you guys can help make that possible.
We actually can, and there's a lot of ways to do it. I want to just share a couple of tips. Well, first of all, you all know that if you're watching, you can bank with us, because consumers know that credit unions are definitely on the side of the consumer and the best possible place to bank, but most don't think they can join. Maybe U of I and our name could be a challenge.
Okay, that's what I was just going to say. When I hear University of Illinois, I automatically make the assumption that it's only for University of Illinois, like employees or students or something along those lines. Not the case.
Well, it used to be, and then we graduated to serving the entire community.
Wonderful.
We actually serve all the way out to Danville. We now have a Danville branch, and we have 12 different counties that we serve. So first and foremost, if you're watching and these tips that I'm going to share, they apply to you, and you can come on over and we can help you with some of those things.
Okay, wonderful.
Sure.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, now let's talk. I know a lot of people are feeling the pinch with
so hard.
Spending $85 on a tank of gas, and I want to cry every time. And then other things just start to add up. You're not really sure where your dollars are going, but you still want to have some fun, and you want to plan for summer and make memories with your kids, but at the same time, your pocketbook is feeling a little
Be wise about it.
It's hard on the wallet, and we like to say, share your wallet some love. So I'm going to give you some tips, and I actually gave a girlfriend earlier.
Okay, share.
And, you know, even if it's not about vacay, we are, you know, we have families and we have kids, and we're trying to afford daycares and summer camps, and it gets very expensive. Even if you've budgeted for those, you might have had to tap into those resources to pay for that $85 gallon of tax, and that's really going to hurt you. So here's a couple of tips that you can do. First of all, used cars have appreciated. And did you know, like a house, you can refinance that. And the
your car loan?
Yeah, you can. And chances are, in the last 2 years, it's worth more today than it was when you bought it, or at least 2 years ago.
Yes.
And so you can refinance that. And the benefit of working with a credit union is we offer 3 months, no payments. So immediately you get to pocket those payments, and that is some extra income that you didn't put on a credit card. But speaking of credit cards, if you have balance transfers, still look for those 0% offers. We offer that through the end of the year, and that's a nice way to kind of reduce that monthly payment. The other tip is, if you have a loan with a credit union, did you know you can skip a payment?
Oh,
and
I did actually, and I have done it.
I did not know that.
Because I actually do have one with you guys. So,
So if you're looking and you're like, you know, I really want to do that long weekend, but it's like, ouch, how am I going to pay for that and my car loan and this loan payment? Know that you can skip that payment. And this is all about what credit unions do. We are on the side of the consumer. We understand you guys have aspirations, hope, and dreams, and it is hard on the wallet because it's hurting my wallet too, but there are all these savvy little tricks. And you know how I know our credit union knows how to do this? Because they're feeling the pinch too.
Yeah.
And so we're actually helping each other trying to navigate those worlds. So our members, we are the members. And so the whole thing about credit unions it's for people that are in the know. And once you're a member, you get part of that brain trust of like, how do I afford X, Y, and Z? And we sit down with you and coach you on how to afford not just your vacation, not just summer camps, but your bigger dreams and aspirations as well.
So people can just kind of bring their situation to you guys and say, okay, this is what I want to do, and this is all I have going on. Help.
Yes, I love that. And no judgment, no shame, because we've all been
human.
there. Yes, and we want to take that and say, yes, let's make a plan and let's help you out. And you know what I know is when members do just that, they walk out feeling lighter, happier, more empowered, and less stressed. And that helps your overall well-being.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, well, Susan is a certified financial coach there at the University of Illinois Community Credit Union, and definitely an approachable gal who can help you out, and we appreciate those tips. Those are fantastic.
Yes.
All right, if you want to learn more, we will connect you with Susan and her team there at CILiving.tv.